Today I'm going to discuss certain points, how we can see astrological points, how we can see issues regarding health in a chart, and how to find solution for it. In the natal chart, we normally see 6, 8, 12 situation in day 1, and how the 6, 8, 12 lords are behaving, or if they are malefic or if they are good, and also the planets, if there are any planets in 6, 8, 12 of natal chart. So this make us understand that what planets are giving trouble and how we can sort them out. Now sorting them out, people will say, okay, donate, Mangal is giving trouble, donate red dal, to a poor person. But giving red dal to a poor person will help? No, not necessarily, because to find the correct solution, you should know the correct way of donation. Giving to a poor person will only help if the affliction to Mars is coming through Saturn. But if it is coming through some other planet or some other reason, giving to a poor person will not help. That's why people say, oh, we do remedies but they don't help. How they will help if it is not done properly? That's why when the Veds, Ayurveda doctors, Ved means Ayurveda doctors, when they give remedies, they tell you at what time you have to take. Why that time? Because that planet could be very good in your chart. Like suppose Surya is strong, so take in Surya Hora, the medicine. And also they say with honey, okay, so Surya is good, so take with honey. So the support of Surya will become so strong towards this medication that it will heal you. So that's why it is arranged in such a way. Like with coconut oil, why coconut oil? To give you support of benefic Rahu. So all these things, when we have to study and we have to arrange according to the chart. Now regarding donations also, suppose if the red dal is to be given for a orphanage, then you have to give to a orphanage. That's what your chart, you should learn to understand that where the donation should go. If it should go to an orphanage, or if it should go to a temple, or if it should go to a place where there is samuhik vivah going on for poor people, there you should donate. Or it should be given to a poor person, or it should be fed to animals. That's what you have to understand. So this is one thing. Now if you want, they say where the problem is coming from, the root of that problem, when you go to the solution also you will find there. So where is the root? The root is 12th from moon. If you will look at in the Chandra Kundli, you should see the 12th of the moon. The 12th of the moon, 12th from the moon, okay, the planet there or the sign there, wherever the lord of that sign is, that's where, from where you exited in previous lifetime, dealing with that situation. So suppose if you have Jupiter in 12th house and Jupiter is in bad situation, suppose Jupiter is the lord, and the sign in which it is sitting, that there is a parivartan, means lord of that house has gone to Jupiter sign. So that means that this person is carrying some curse from past life of a guru. So you have to deal with a guru, Jupiter. So you have to donate. The first thing you have to do is donate for that Jupiter. Now donating Jupiter for what? Now you have to see why the curse is coming, from where the curse is coming. So donation should go to that planet person only. So suppose if the Mangal is giving the curse, the curse is coming through Mangal. So the Jupiter curse is coming due to the reason of Mangal. So from a Jupiter, you have to donate red dal. To whom? To a army person. So that way is one solution. Now another thing, there is another thing regarding it. Now if you want to really see the past life karma, and you understand the chart for past life karma, if there is a curse in a chart, definitely when there is a major situation in the chart, like major health issues, there is most of the time some kind of very bad curse coming through previous journey, like the person is carrying the curse of parents or whatever. So when you see the situation of 6, 8, 12 from moon kundali, you will understand. And suppose you in the 12th from moon, you have Jupiter in Leo, okay, and the Jupiter is the Lord, and the Lord of Leo is Sun, which is going to Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is Daksh. So that's why, that's what is making Jupiter a Daksh. So there is a parivartan between Leo and Sagittarius. So this is already telling us that the soul is carrying uh, the the curse of a Jupiter. The suffering to Jupiter means a guru has been given because of that, the trauma or humiliation was caused to a genuine guru who was a follower of dharma. Fire signs are dharma signs. Some kind of adharma happened, because of that a guru suffered. The child is carrying forward that curse, and mostly in such charts there is a pitradosh or matradosh. Matradosh means either moon will be with Rahu or Ketu, or sun will be with Rahu or Ketu, or both will be afflicted somehow. So that means whichever planet is more afflicted, like sun is with Rahu or Ketu, or moon is with Rahu Ketu, the curse is coming from that clan, right? So we have to find a solution here in the root. So what you have to do, what you will do, donate for Jupiter. Like, okay, haldi I donate haldi to a government officer, or chana dal to a government officer. Surya is government officer or politician or someone in authority. Will that help? No, it won't help. Then what will help? We, like Ravan locked all the planets in 11th house of Indrajit chart so that the 11th house will get activated. We use the same mind frame. We kick a Jupiter hard, we abuse a Jupiter and throw him out of our life, by humiliation, and then the 12th from moon will be empty. The Jupiter is gone. Will that help? It will carry another curse of that Jupiter. So then what we should do? Either two things. Either we should give our hard earned money to that Jupiter. That Jupiter should be the genuine Jupiter, who is a guru, a guide, a counselor, who is selfless, who is a dani, who has knowledge. You give that money, you give that guru money, and you say, Guruji, please donate on your behalf. We have nothing to do with it. It's your money for donation, but please donate it. We want forgiveness from Guru clan. Gurus also have a clan. So you please donate it. That is one thing. Now donation should be according to your earning power, means 10% of your earning. Will you do it? Most people will say, why should we give guru to donate? We can donate ourselves. We will donate for our child. Why should we donate? Why should we give money to a guru to donate? Another thing, the guru will say, okay, I will donate my hard-earned money in your child's name. Will that be possible in today's world? Everyone is working very hard. Will that be possible that somebody will say, okay, I earn this money from your work? Astrological work donation a guru will do means it's very bad for guru. A guru will never donate astrological money, for sure, because you are donating your planets. Will never do that. That's why we said we are allowed to earn money for our livelihood. We are not supposed to do free work also. So a guru will not donate. So a guru can say, okay, I will do some work for you. Like for me, I say I will do vastu work for you. You pay me for that work. Whatever money I'll get from you, I will donate it. I won't keep a single cent. That is one way, my way. That's how I do that. All the money, either you donate in your own hands, I'm not involved. That way the Jupiter in the chart of the child will become strong, because Jupiter is malefic. If somebody have Jupiter malefic in the child's chart, that's the best remedy for that family. Okay, but you see, this is something which is most important to understand. How to do a donation, to whom we should give, what we should give. Not simply, okay, donate for this, wear this stone, wear that stone. This all won't help. You really have to go to the core of the problem, and that can only happen when you understand the chart from where the problem is coming. For that, you have to assess the chart for past life, what kind of karmas it is carrying forward from past life. Then only you can donate properly and through a person. And I understand it is very difficult to make a common person understand, who has no knowledge of shastras, or who has no knowledge of planets, that this kind of help, this kind of support from a guru will be really helpful. So many people will say, oh, we don't sell things in our shop and say your money we will donate for you. True, this is ridiculous. If a person who is selling bangles and you tell this person, a guru says that I will donate the money you will give me, I'll donate, that person will be ridiculous, you know, that person will say it's so ridiculous, why should you do that, you shouldn't do that. But why I'm making this video, so that a common person also should understand this concept, that remedies are should be according to the chart, and certain remedies may sound ridiculous, but they actually bring relief to people. So I hope you all agree with what I have said, and I hope it can bring lot of help to all of you who are following me, watching my videos. Please do let me know if you like this information, and thank you so much. God bless you. Take care.